What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to look at HTML tags and fonts. So let's go ahead and open our project folder, and then you realize that these are the things we want to talk about in this tutorial. So I want to minimize this and call notepad app. Then we'll go ahead and then start with our usual tradition. I want to create an HTML tag here and then close my HTML. And we've already learned about indentation, so I want to put that in action over here. I'm going to open my head and then close my head over here, and within the head, that is where I have my title. Okay, so I'm going to open my title here and then close my title. And so I'm going to say this is tags and fonts. Alright, so over here I'm going to open my body tag and then close the body tag over here. Alright, so we're going to write the rest of our codes within the body tag. Now you realize that I keep doing something like less than, greater than, and I passed some text in here and I'm calling them tags. Yeah, they are actually tags, as I told you earlier on. HTML is markup language. Okay, so you can't just say that you want to create your own tag with HTML. There is something else for doing that job. Okay, so you can see that I want to create a tag like James over here, and you can close James over here. No, we can do this. They are predefined tags, so those are the ones we are going to be using. So all of these tags we are using over here are predefined, and we are going to use that. This is different from a lecture that teaches how to create your own tags. That's similar to this. Okay, so moving on, I want to look at something like headers. Okay, so we are going to look at for this thing, an HTML tag for writing headers, and I'm sure that you've seen that thing in action, Microsoft Word. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so you realize that we can have maybe header over here, and you see stuff like this. So I can just highlight this one and then put this one over here, and you can see that the headers does change. Okay, so we are going to look at how to implement something like this in HTML. All right, where is it? Oh, yeah, I think that's it. So what we are going to do in HTML headers, we represent them with H, and expands from H1 to H6. Now, as the number increases, the font size reduces. So this is what I mean. We have something called H1 like this as a header. So let me close this H1. Just as usual, I'm going to put a forward slash and then put this one here. So let me call this header 1. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and give reference to Larry Tesla for his great invention. I think I enjoy copy and paste. Yes, let me put 2 over here and say this is header 2. Okay, I'll go ahead and copy this one also. Do that, header 3. And do 3 over here, and let me change this guy here to 3, and we can go ahead and do this up to the 6th one. So I want to save this thing here, then we run it so you see what is going to happen. So Control S to save. I'm going to call this tags and fonts.html. I want to save it within the web app folder on desktop. So let me save this one and minimize this one, so I have tags and fonts over here. So you see what is happening over here. You can see that this is header 1, which is very big, header 2 small, header 3, and it moves on down to header 6. So to show you that, let me put this. Let me copy this one here and paste it and call this header 6, and then see the size. Okay, let me change this guy here to 6. I'm saving this and I refresh this, and you can see that that is very small. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Let's move on to the next lesson.